Hey guys, Gary here. Thanks for watching. I did a video some time ago about the Rockwell Tactical IFAK. In fact, I still have that IFAK in a chest rig float around here somewhere. However, it hasn't been available for a little while. Not even since really a little bit after I started working here, and then it kind of disappeared. And that was a supply problem from the people supplying our medical gear. Well, we've got that all sorted out with a new supplier, and we've got IFAK back in stock. While we're at it, we decided to update it. And we're now offering 3 versions of the IFAK instead of just 1. And the way we're doing it now is we have a pocket kit, a basic kit, and an advanced kit. All 3 of the kits are hermetically sealed from our supplier, which is H&H Medical. It even says so right on there. And for instance, like with this pocket kit, if you look, see if it'll focus, it has an expiration date. Come back to me. There we go. The expiration date is for the contents being certified as sterile. So these are packaged in a sterile environment. So everything inside is currently sterile. Apparently that's a big deal in the medical community, and not using things that are certified as sanitary in your packaging makes it not acceptable for many end users. So we went ahead and the Mylar bag, it's sealed at the top. It's got an expiration date guaranteeing how long everything in it will stay sealed. It also has a ziplock, so if you're the kind of guy that wants to open it and play with it, you can put all the shit back in there. Just know that when we sell it, it will be airtight and sterile, and once you break that open, it's not going to be. So let's pick one of these kits. We got the pocket kit small, fits in like a cargo pocket, probably not the back pocket of a pair of pants. The basic kit is a little larger, and the advanced kit a little larger than that. So now you're talking, you need something to put this in. And I know a lot of guys, myself included, are going to open it up and put it where we need it to go as opposed to a kit. But these are great for, especially if you're going to have multiple kits that you could hand out to a fella. Here, you take this, and you know, more mass casualty type thing. This would be perfect because it's a whole kit in one, sealed, ready to go. But we'll go ahead and open one of these up and see what comes in it, and we'll show you what comes in all of them while we're at it. Why not, right? So to open it, top of the bag's got the little notches in it. I'm just going to take this advanced one here and grab a hold of it, rip it open. Figures it ripped halfway. Rip it the other way. There we go. So now it's open. It is zip locked as well. They do that before it gets sealed. And now this one's never going to be sold because we've broke the seal. And it's kind of the way that med kits should be unsealed. We're going to take the parts out and see what's in here. I'm going to try to, like right over here, right now, put a list of all the things that come in it. We'll see how well my editing is capable of in a minute. Alright, so what do we got in here? We have a pair of shears, some nitrile gloves, flat rolled duct tape, an NPA and lube. I'll just check here and see it is a size 28, not surprised. We have a dual seal hydrogel occlusive dressing, Selx Z-Fold gauze. That stuff's worth its weight in gold right there. A H bandage, a soft T wide tourniquet, a SWAT T tourniquet, which also makes a great compression bandage. It's a better compression bandage than it is a tourniquet, but it is a super portable tourniquet. And a couple of decompression needles. That's what comes in the advanced kit. Alright, so what comes in the basic kit? Again, list over here. There it is, maybe, depending on my editing skills. Inside, we have NPA, nitrile gloves, flat fold duct tape, some awesome Select Z-fold gauze, a regular H&H compressed gauze, chest seal, SWAT tee. So, oh, and a pair of shears. Basic kit, the differences are it has some an H gauze in it. It's missing the H bandage, the soft T wide, and the chest decompression needles. So that is the reason that it costs less. Alright, pocket kit, size to fit in your pocket. It's going to come with some of the awesome Select Z gauze, a low profile SWAT tourniquet, and a set of gloves. Bare bones minimum, but sealed to fit in a pocket. Well, you can put this in your back pocket. I kind of run like real limited stuff in my back pockets. Even my wallet is a micro wallet because I don't like sitting on shit. But it would fit there. I know folks that have wallets that are bigger than this guy, but I'm not one of them. Certainly would easily fit in a cargo pocket. So those are the three kits. I'm not going to list the price because if the price changes, this video might be up for a long time. But you can go to the link, rockwelltactical.com, go to the shop button and medical, and then they have all the kits, and you can buy them. They come from us, sealed and ready to go, not like this one open. It'll be on its way to you momentarily. H&H is a much better supplier than our last supplier, so keeping these things in stock, easy to do. So that's the med kits we got. Check them out. If you want one, you know where to get one, and in the comment section say you saw it on my video. Later. Take it easy. So I got this new camera. It's a Canon DSLR thing. I don't know how it works. I don't know if it sounds good. I have a microphone, but I needed to do a test video to see the sound from the camera itself sounded good, or if it was in focus, and I have no fucking clue. So go ahead and tell me what you think. But you have to go to Facebook because I don't allow comments on YouTube because people are idiots. Anyway, let me know if the video fucking worked or not.